Hello everyone, today, let's discuss the compilation and execution process of a C program. The program provides instructions to the machine, for which another program, called the editor, is required, where we write these instructions. These instructions need to be converted into machine language, zeros and ones, only then machine can execute it. For this conversion, we need another program, which is called compiler. Many compiler vendors provide an integrated development environment, IDE, that includes an editor and the compiler. Let's discuss the program's execution steps. First, type the program in the editor and save it with a C extension. Here, C is an extension of a file that specifies the file type to the compiler. Then the compiler converts it into machine code, and the linker will link with libraries, such as header files if required. After that, program runs and produces output. A program saved with a C extension, also called source code, is compiled by a compiler into machine code with the .x extension, which is an executable file that produces output when executed. You can see below, on the slide, different types of compilers for different operating systems. Every OS has its own compiler, like Turbo C, C++, Microsoft C for DOS, Visual C++, Borland C++ for Windows, and GCC for Linux. Now, how do you open it? To write your program, if you are using Turbo C or C++, the first thing you need to do is type the tc command at the DOS command prompt. Generally, people who use the Windows operating system need to click on the Turbo C++ icon on their computer. The editor window will open as shown in blue, or you can go to the file icon, click the new button, type your program, and save it with the C extension. You can also use the shortcut F2 to save your program. After that, press Alt F9 for compilation only, and press Ctrl plus F9 to perform compilation and execution in a single step. After that, the new window will open, which provides details about our program, for example, your program file name, line of code, etc. If the program contains errors, Turbo C++ displays the error messages in the message window. If the compilation is successful, the program executes automatically, and the output can be viewed in the output window using the shortcut Alt plus F5. Let's discuss the case for the Borland C++ compiler, i.e., BC. To start the compiler, click on the Borland C++ icon. It also follows almost the same steps: creating a new file, clicking File, selecting New to open a new editor window, and typing the C program in the editor window. Press F2 to save the file with a suitable name, such as Hello, C. Then, the last step is to compile and execute. Press Ctrl plus F9. This is a very important step. Turbo C++ performs compilation and execution together. Source code is checked for errors. An executable file is created, and then the program will execute automatically. If errors are detected, they will be displayed in the message window below. Otherwise, the program will compile and execute successfully. To view the output, press Alt plus F5, and the output window will open. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.